Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable OneDrive Backup on your HP OmniBook Flip 5. First, let's open the Start menu and go to Settings. On the sidebar, select Accounts, then navigate down to Windows Backup. Now here we're gonna have to do a couple of things. For example, let's sync the folders by tapping Setup Syncing next to OneDrive Folder Syncing. Then you just have to switch the toggle next to the folders that you want to sync. For example, if you don't want to sync music and videos, you can leave these switches toggled off. Then click Save Changes, and the backup will start. And OneDrive will proceed by syncing your files. Next, you're gonna have to sync your Microsoft account with Windows. To do so, click Manage right here. Then select Yes, Sync to confirm. And then you may have to enter your account's password or maybe perform some other security measure, but in my case, didn't require this. Then let's go back to accounts and then return to Windows Backup to let it synchronize. And after that, we can also switch the toggle on to let Windows remember our applications and also remember our preferences. If you want to select which preferences you want to backup, expand this list and check the boxes next to the options that you want to save. And then to make sure that your PC is backed up, go to the home page of your settings, click on PC Backed Up and see if everything that you wanted to back up in OneDrive is actually backed up by expanding the respective options or the respective menus. And then click Continue. And wait for a moment until your PC is backed up. And once this page says that you are all set, we can close this window. And right now our PC is fully backed up. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.